The Rainbow Unicorn Adventures by Grace Ballinger and Daniel Green. This book is for all our friends, so pretty much everybody. Characters by the way, you will meet more, but main characters at the moment, this isn't finished, but Evil Unicorn, Miss Rutherford, yep, and then the Good Unicorns over here, the Rainbow Gang, they're amazing. So, Chapter 1. The unicorns were playing at the park and suddenly Miss Rutherford stormed over and then punched them all off the swings. And she got arrested! Yeah! That is where it ends, so bye! Bye! You spin me around,